Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I would like to talk about predictions about Aries 2018. Let's start it. First of all, we would talk about financial matter of Aries. Therefore, for this year, that has a very positive year. Positive months are indicated in this month. Your financial position has been gained. So let us mention January, April, July, that month in which your income has totally gained and boosted up. Property matter, this year you have to edge in property matter. Very positive time to achieve your goal related to property matters, buildings, property sale, purchase. But therefore, careful things that have you done in the month of April and June. These 2 months, as carefully about the related matters of property dispute. Children matter. For children matter purpose, there are some problems indicated about the health of the children. Therefore, March, July, September, that has the worst month about the children health, and August month is very best time for recovery of the health of the children. For love matters, March, July, September, that not of feasible time, but August has a better time to recover your relationship. Education, that year educations have more struggle about that year. Struggling things in educations and confusing and breaks in educations has been indicated in this year, but overall that is the medium year about the education. Health, for health this year for the Aries, that has some trouble about the health related. March, June, December, that months has been indicated very worst in the year 2018 for the Aries health. Health means related general operations, chronic disease has been appeared, and not to relieve any improvement in the health. Litigation matters for this year's litigation matters has been arises, and most probable things has been happen in March, July, August. In March, July, August, that has been very probability in which the litigations has been arises against or you have filed a litigation for your any rightful purpose. For marriage, this year's we discuss about the months that has been indicated worst things about that is March, August, October, in which you have not to materialize your relationships and not to tie any relationship. That is very worst for you. And September has been very positive month in the area of marriage and any relationship that has been built. Your business, for your business, that October, August, March, that month has been very worst about starting a new business and partnership. Therefore, please make careful about the in this month. For if you doing a new business, September month has been very positive result, very positive result in the business of in the area of business. Incident for this year that has been very probability for happening a major incident like accident or surgery type events in your life. For this purpose, December month has been very carefully you have to spend it. Foreign travel for this whole year, this has very probability to not foreign travel or not apply for immigration, because this year is not very positive for immigration or foreign travel or any connection to foreign countries. Career oblique promotion for this year is very positive for your career and promotion and upgradations. Most positive month for this year is April, and most worst month for this year is December. So please be careful in December doing any change a job or any things like this.